Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is a new investment script. A standard one like that. It's a script that you can actually use if you're into investment business. If you're into investment, no matter the kind of investment you're managing, this script is capable of handling your investment between you and your investors, people investing in your business. Now, let's say for instance, you can see something appear. There's someone from Asia just invested $30,000. Um, the superb thing about this script, it comes with a nice front end. You can see how the front end, you can see how everything is dynamic changing. This stuff is very mobile responsive. You can see in this place, you can this is a live widget from trading view. So it was integrated as part of this so is there life? Someone from Cuba just invested. You can see it's a nice one. Now there's this drop down of language. If someone is contacting you from a different country, the person can actually make use of it. When you get a copy, we can actually help you, assist you in adding a live chat. So if someone comes to your business, he wants to have a direct communication with you, that won't really be an issue. Now the content here, you can actually rewrite it. It's just simple HTML. And for those that love using something like WordPress, it's also not an issue. We can explain to you how you can make use of it on WordPress. The pages has been pre-built with amazing content. You can see this is the market that is available for the person. Now, just a quick run over. Let me go straight to the main details. There will be a demo out for it, so you can actually log into the demo and check it out. But the front end may not be part of the demo. It's only the user dashboard and the admin dashboard. Now I'll do a quick login and do a quick run over of the script. Now I click on login. Now this I've already created a user, so let's log in with that particular user. Now this is how the user interface exactly look like. This is exactly how it looks like, mobile responsive and everything. Now let me open up the admin so you see how that also looks. This is user interface. This is how it looks like. That is the user after the user image can be a user can add, can remove too. So now on the admin, let me log in the admin. This is how the admin looks like. Now you can see there is a login user. That is me. A login user, like a registered user to say. Now that's me. Now okay, I'll give a quick run over of this soon. Now here let me go straight to the investment. Let me go straight to the investment before I explain every other things. Now you can see there are three investments here. The admin can create and this is Google shares, this is Apple shares. They are not really real. I just use there as a demo. What I'll do now is I'll create additional one. I'll create additional one. This user is already investing. It's already investing, and you'll see the whole. Okay, this is it. Let me come to the shares, view shares. The share is actually the term we use for the kind of investment. It can be unlimited. Now you can see the user started with this, but he closed it on this date. He started with this, started with this. But before that, once a user logs in, he gets an email notification. Once the user logs in, he gets an email notification. If I come to the email here, if I reload this, you can see there is a login just 8 minutes ago. That was when I logged in. You can see the login is here. Okay, I think I make it. Okay, 1 minute ago. That was an old login. Now on the admin end, now this is user end. Okay, this is how it looks like. The user can choose to invest or abandon any investment. Now let me go to the admin and create an investment. So it's how that works. Now there on the admin, I will explain everything bit by bit, but let me go straight to shares and let me go to add new. Now let me put an instance that there is this particular person, he's into real estate, he wants people to invest in his real estate business. Then he'll pay them, he pays you 2% of anything you invest every day. If you invest, let's say $500, he pays you $2 and every day. So what I'll do, I will call it Paul, let me say Paul Real IN. Okay, let's say real estate. Paul Real Estate daily percentage. Let's say he's giving 2% each day. Share purchase bonus. Let's just leave that at 1. You see there are shares and shares categories and share subcategories. Under here, we can actually add more. You can take out, can add more things if you're not okay with what we got here. But these are what are there on default. Under the shares, let's say you're investing in let's just say it's storage, or let's say is stock. Then the subcategory, let's say is real estate, and let's create. You can see this has been created successfully. Now if you come to the user, you click on the dashboard. You see what has been created is not yet there. What has been created is not yet there. This is an investment that is already running. It's if you can pause, you can start up. Okay, now we created Paul Real Estate. If we come here, we click on active list. Oh, not here. These are the ones that have been activated. We click on view all. Under view all, you can see Paul Real Estate, the one we added. You can delete, you can deactivate, you can activate. You can see its status is 0. That means it's deactivated. It's not yet activated. So we make it, we activate it. Now it's 1. Now if this is the user end, if the user comes here, you can see it has been added. So you can add anything, and this particular user might choose to invest in this particular one. When he wants to invest, now how does he do the investment? He clicks here, he sees the investment, he wants to invest in it. Unlimited, it can be as much as, so the user is who choose where he wants to invest or not. Now if the user click on buy shares, when it to buy shares from this company, now you can see what the user has. You can just pick any amount to invest. Let's say the user wants to invest 1,000. Look at the amount remaining there, 4,628. Let's say he wants to invest 1,000. He clicks on buy activate shares. Your share is successfully activated. You can see your share is successfully activated. Now if the user comes here and click on view shares, the share history, this share, okay, Paul Real Estate, this is what they invest. You can see it's up 2% daily. Now these are the ones that have been running on already. The shares on ICT, shares on oil industry. Now this is a stock in real estate. Now the shares, this is the category, this is the subcategory. So if you're into BTC trading, this can be crypto, this can be BTC. You get it. So it all depends. Now these are the history of all the investment. Even you choose to cancel a particular investment, you can choose to close. Okay, let me close one of these investments. I'm not closing this now. Let me close this. You can see this already has profit of 98. You can choose to close it. I've already created this in the past. Now let me close it. I've closed it. You can see it's only 2 left here. The one I closed, you can see here. There's a, you can see the date. You can see the date. Today is the 14th of September 2022. It has been closed. And this is the profit the person make. The person can also choose to reinvest. Yeah, now look at the price. If this will come the next day, 2% of 1,000 naira, it's $1,000 dollars. 2% of $1,000. My bad. 2% of $1,000 is that should be 20. That should be 20. That means $20 will be added to this on every daily basis. $20 will be added, and it will be included to the total profit on every daily basis. Now, how does the user make investment and how does the user make withdrawal? Very important. Now, for how user, okay, we're done with investment. How does user make deposit and withdrawal? Now, for deposit, once a user registers, it comes to my profile, he updates the account. He updates the account, add the image if the user wants to, then the security, that's the change password, and we also have the wallet details. User can we update their wallet details so they can actually make withdrawal. On default, here we have Perfect Money, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the Tether. That's USDT. This is what we have on default, but you can still add more with little integration, little kind of coding. But I believe this should be sufficient enough. Under my profile, user can verify account. User can verify accounts. During the verification, they update their ID card, and that's where the admin can now approve them to be able to withdraw money. Else they won't be able to make withdrawal. Under the admin, if they come to the user, you see manage user. Okay, you see approvals. You can see this. Okay, this is the person's avatar. If you can see the email verification, that's after registration. Once a user registers, he can't log in yet until he's verified. If you don't like that feature, it's something I can still take care of for you. If you don't like that feature, now when you can verify a user is verified, user may be unverified. Can unverify. When a user is unverified, they can't withdraw. They have to be verified before they can able to make withdrawal. I'll make a sample of that. But before that, let's first make a deposit. Let's first make a deposit. You come to gateway it is the admin panel. Now on the gateway, we have manage gateway, we have add gateway. Under this manage gateway, these are the should I call it payment method that is available on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Let's say you want to make under payment method, you want to add under payment method. All you simply do is you come here, you add gateway. Let's say for instance you want to let's say mobile, what did I do? That's single L. Let's say mobile money, and your mobile money ID is let's say this is the ID for instance. Then you choose an image. I don't know if I have an image yet to just use for demo purpose. Let me use this white one. Okay, know what white one is. Hope it's something good. Okay, a new payment method has been added. If I come here and click on manage gateways, okay, this is the white one. As you can see, mobile money has been added. Now, a user wants to make a deposit. Let me come back to the user end. The user wants to make a deposit. He comes to the dashboard. He clicks on wallet, deposit fund. Now, there are different deposit methods. You can see the Bitcoin, you can see the Ethereum, you can see the USDT, you can see the mobile money we just added. So if the user knows the amount he wants to, there is always a transaction ID for every transaction. Let's say transaction ID is 4321. The person want to deposit, let's say 5,000. All the script is strictly based on dollars. Then payment proof, you just have to upload something as the payment proof. Let's pick this. I don't know what it is. Why? Then you click on deposit. The payment proof has to be an image. Now you can see your mobile money deposit 5,000 USD has been sent. This is your reference number. You will be credited once deposit is confirmed. This doesn't just happen. There is also an email that will be sent. Let me go to the email. Let's go to the email. Deposit alert. As you can see, username, transaction amount, transaction method, reference ID. Now this is it. Now this script is strictly for real-time process. We know things like this can be used for some how will I put it, something that actually not legal, but if it's only based on, we are totally taking away every risk involved to that. We expect you to use this strictly for real-time business, strictly for a registered business. If your business is not really registered to conduct a business of this nature, please do not purchase this script. Please do not make use of this script. Now you can see an email has been sent. Now on the admin end, the admin can check transactions, deposit order. Okay, on the deposit order, you can see the amount that was deposited. The mode is mobile money. It's pending. Now, what does the admin do here? What the admin does here, he goes and verify if this payment is real. And if this payment is real, what does the admin do? He clicks on approve. And once that is done, the admin, once that is done, it has been approved. Let me reload the user. You can see from 3,000, it should increase. You can see it's 8,000. 5,000 has been credited to this particular user as the admin approved it. And on the okay, we still have downline for people that you referred. They'll be part of this. Admin can pay a referral. For admin to pay referral, you just pay referral. 5% of the first deposit goes to the person that referred the person. Now we have transaction log. If you click on transaction log, you see the deposit that was made. I made this first one back in the past. You can see the date. Then this is one I made today on the 14th. Now no withdrawal has been placed. Now that's deposit. Now to make withdrawal, be fast, the time is taking too much time. Now to make a withdrawal, when you click on wallet, you click on withdraw fund. This is the amount ready. I want to do something quick. This is the admin. From the admin, let's say from the admin, under user, under approval, this person user status unverified. As you can see, user status unverified. Now this person tried to make a withdrawal. Please ensure your wallet detail is up to date before you proceed. Okay, let's say you want to make a withdrawal of, let's say, 2,000. You select your wallet type. Remember the wallet the user already have and the wallet address. Let's say it needs the money in BTC. You click on BTC, that's Bitcoin, then you click on withdraw. Account is unverified. That means that cannot be made. So what do? You come back here, you click on, you have to verify this particular account. That is the admin. This is the admin. The admin has to verify this particular account. Now the account is verified. Now this email is for login, for user to be able to log in. Why this account status is for user to be able to make withdrawals. Now that the account has been verified, the user can now make withdrawal. How do they do that? They come back here, they make withdrawal. But before that, let me try to correct something. On the user profile, we have the wallet details. You can see they are just, this is just a demo purpose. These are not real wallet. These are not real wallet. You can change it. You can, let's say the Bitcoin, okay, let's say the Bitcoin address is as long as this, as you can see. Let's say this is the Bitcoin address. Then you click on update wallet. It has been modified, you can see. So let me make that kind of straight. I click on wallets, click on withdrawals. Now you want to make a withdrawal. Now these are live. You want to withdraw 3,000. Select your wallet type. You can see the BTC, you can see the wallet details part of it. You select it, then you click on withdraw. Your Bitcoin withdrawal of 3,000 has been sent. Reference ID. And when this is done, an email is sent to the user. I'll show you the email. You can see the balance has been deducted from 8,628 to 3,000 to 5,628. Now if I check the email, let me go back to the inbox. This is the deposit approval. You can see. Now this is the withdrawal request. Now withdraw approval. The admin comes to transaction. This is the admin comes to transaction. Click on withdrawal request. It's pending. So what does the admin do now? He pays this user. How do you pay the user? You can see the payment mode is Bitcoin. So this is believed to be the user's Bitcoin wallet address. Then you copy it and you go pay the user. After paying the user, then you click on completed. You can see it's completed. Now that it's completed, you come back here. Then go back to the email. An email of the complete will be arrived shortly. Now here you can see, let me click on the dashboard. So that is just it with the script. The script is mobile responsive. I can prove that to you. Now this is the mobile view. This is how it's going to look on the mobile. You can see it. And this will be the navigation. This is how to be on your mobile phone. So it's mobile responsive. It's perfect. This is still version 1.0. This is still version 1.0. With time, further versions will be created. So this is the admin. The admin has settings, like settings in the admin, or you can do some minor settings. There's a message the user to the admin, they can message themselves, unlimited gateways, unlimited investment plan, which we call shares. You can create categories of shares, categories and subcategories. Let me click there. You can create categories and subcategories. Click here of shares. So exactly is just how this script is. This is just how that script is. Total, everything here is working fine. So this is just exactly how this script is. Inside this script, there will be a README file that will guide you on the installation and the usage. Let me see, there's something I'm missing. This is the emails. This is the admin. Okay, this is the ticket. I think we're fine with everything. And this way a user can actually log out. This way a user can log out. They can actually view share. They can view their profile here. Now this Apple, Google, this is a widget from TradingView. This investment widget called, it's been called from the database. You can see the investments available. Admin can still go delete investment. Admin can pause investment. By the next day now, there is no, okay, you can see what the user have for now. That's based on the investment. So so this is just it for now. This is just it. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you. Have a nice time.